The pride of a nation often lies in its indigenous creations. Today, we turn our attention to such a marvel from India, the NRT Nimbus surveillance drone. This is not just a drone, it's a testament to India's technological prowess and dedication to national security. It's a symbol of the nation's ability to create advanced technology indigenously, without any foreign assistance. The story of this drone's origin is one that fills every Indian heart with pride. It was born from the minds of brilliant Indian engineers who wanted to create a surveillance drone that was both efficient and adaptable. The NRT Nimbus is the result of their labor, their intelligence, and their unwavering dedication to their country. This drone is a true representation of the Make in India initiative, a campaign aimed at encouraging companies to manufacture their products in India. The NRT Nimbus embodies the spirit of this initiative, as it is entirely made in India by Indians for Indians. It's a shining example of what can be achieved when a nation is determined to be self-reliant. The NRT Nimbus is not just a marvel of engineering, but also a beacon of hope for future indigenous technological developments. It sets a precedent, showing other innovators that it is possible to create advanced technology right here at home. This drone serves as an inspiration to aspiring engineers and scientists across the country, showing them that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of innovation, anything is possible. The development of the NRT Nimbus also speaks volumes about India's commitment to national security. It shows that India is not just willing to protect its borders, but also capable of doing so using homegrown technology. This drone is a critical part of India's defense strategy, helping to keep the nation safe and secure. This drone is not just a piece of technology, but a symbol of national pride and an embodiment of India's defense capabilities. It stands as a testament to the strength, resilience, and ingenuity of the Indian people. It is a clear indication that India is not just keeping pace with the world in the field of technology, but also setting the pace. The NRT Nimbus drone, a true marvel of Indian engineering, stands tall in the world of surveillance technology. This indigenous drone, a brainchild of Indian innovation, is a game-changer in the realm of aerial surveillance. Its purpose is as clear as the sky on a bright day: to provide unparalleled surveillance capabilities while ensuring the safety of our troops on the ground. The NRT Nimbus is not just a drone, it's a symbol of India's technological prowess. Crafted with meticulous precision, its design is both robust and sleek. It's compact enough to navigate through the narrowest of spaces, yet sturdy enough to withstand the harshest of weather conditions. Weighing in at a mere 25 kilograms, it might seem light, but don't let the weight fool you. This drone is packed with advanced features that make it a formidable tool in the hands of our armed forces. Its size, just over a meter in length and width, makes it a nimble navigator of the skies, capable of reaching even the most remote corners of our borders. The NRT Nimbus is not just about size and weight, though. Its form is a testament to function. It boasts a unique dual-rotor design, making it incredibly stable during flight. Its body, made of high-strength composite materials, is designed to minimize radar detection. This makes the NRT Nimbus not just a surveillance tool, but also a stealthy guardian of our skies. The drone's design is not just about physical characteristics. It is also about the seamless integration of technology. The NRT Nimbus is equipped with advanced sensors and high-resolution cameras that can capture detailed images from great heights. It is powered by a state-of-the-art propulsion system that ensures a long flight time, making it an invaluable asset in prolonged operations. The NRT Nimbus drone, a testament to Indian engineering, is set to redefine the standards of aerial surveillance. With its indigenous origin and cutting-edge technology, it is a shining beacon of India's advancement in the field of drone technology. Now let's delve into the technicalities that make the NRT Nimbus drone a formidable tool in surveillance and defense. The NRT Nimbus is not just a drone. It's a marvel of engineering, designed and built with the most advanced technology available today. One of the key strengths of NRT Nimbus is its impressive range. The drone can fly up to 100 kilometers, which is roughly the distance from New Delhi to Agra. That's a substantial reach, enabling it to cover vast areas of land or sea. Speed is another critical factor in the effectiveness of any surveillance drone. The NRT Nimbus does not disappoint in this regard. It can achieve a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. That's faster than the average speed of a racehorse, ensuring that it can quickly reach any area that requires immediate attention. But what about endurance, you ask? Well, the NRT Nimbus drone excels in that department as well. It has a flight time of up to 45 minutes. This extended flight duration allows it to stay airborne for longer, providing continuous surveillance over the area of operation. One of the most important aspects of any surveillance drone is its payload capacity. The NRT Nimbus can carry up to 10 kilograms of payload. This payload can include various types of surveillance equipment, from high-resolution cameras to sophisticated sensors. It's like having a mobile airborne laboratory, ready to gather all kinds of data from the field. Now let's talk about the advanced features of the NRT Nimbus. The drone boasts real-time data transmission capabilities. This feature means that the drone can send back live video feed and other important data to the control center as it happens. This real-time data enables quick decision-making and swift action when it's most needed. In terms of imagery, the NRT Nimbus is equipped with high-resolution cameras. These cameras can capture clear, detailed images from great distances. This high-resolution imagery is crucial for accurate analysis and interpretation of the surveyed area. After all, the devil is in the details, and the NRT Nimbus ensures that no detail is missed. The NRT Nimbus drone is also designed for all-weather operations. Come rain or shine, day or night, this drone can carry out its mission without a hitch. This resilience to varying weather conditions makes it a reliable tool in any surveillance operation. With these technical capabilities, the NRT Nimbus drone is truly a game-changer in the field of surveillance technology. Its range, speed, endurance, payload capacity, real-time data transmission, high-resolution imagery, and all-weather operations make it a formidable tool in surveillance and defense. This is what sets the NRT Nimbus apart. It's not just a drone, it's a testament to the power of indigenous technology. The NRT Nimbus drone is not just another surveillance drone, it's a symbol of India's technological advancement and commitment to national security. This drone, birthed from the ingenuity of Indian engineers, is a testament to our nation's technological prowess. It's more than metal and wire. It's a symbol of our determination, our dedication, and our drive to protect our skies, our borders, and our people. The NRT Nimbus is not a product of outsourcing or foreign collaboration. No, this drone is entirely homegrown, a testament to India's capability and potential in the field of technology and defense. The technical specifications of the NRT Nimbus are a reflection of this prowess. The drone's advanced surveillance capabilities, powered by state-of-the-art sensors and high-resolution cameras, ensure that our forces have a clear view of the situation on the ground, even from miles above. Its long endurance, powered by efficient and reliable engines, enables it to stay aloft for extended periods, providing continuous coverage of the area of interest. Its robust design, able to withstand varying weather conditions, makes it a reliable eye in the sky, come rain or shine. And let's not forget its stealth capabilities, making it practically invisible to enemy radars, giving us the upper hand when it comes to gathering crucial intelligence. The NRT Nimbus is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's an embodiment of India's self-reliance in defense technology. It's a product of countless hours of dedication, hard work, and an unwavering commitment to national security. The NRT Nimbus isn't just a source of pride for the Indian Armed Forces, but for every Indian citizen. It symbolizes our nation's progress, our resilience, and our ability to rise to the challenge. It's a beacon of hope for a future where India stands tall among the leaders in technology and defense. This drone is a clear signal to the world that India is not just a consumer of technology, but a significant contributor as well. We are not just importing technology, we are creating it. We are not just following in the footsteps of others, we are charting our own path. The NRT Nimbus is more than just a drone. It's a symbol of India's innovation, its determination, and its capacity to protect and safeguard its people. It's a testament to the strength and resilience of the Indian spirit. And so, as we admire this incredible piece of technology, let us also take a moment to appreciate the minds and hands that brought it to life. Let us celebrate the dedication, the perseverance, and the spirit of innovation that define our nation. In the NRT Nimbus drone, India has a powerful tool for surveillance and a symbol of national pride. It is a testament to the country's technological capabilities and a beacon of promise for